So what's up guys, today we are back with a new video. Sorry guys for late video, actually I was having exams and today we are making a friendship band as Friendship Day is coming soon. So for that we need some sheets, colorful sheets, old shoelace, something to wrap around sticks, some glitter pens or metallic pens, Fevicol and a pair of scissors. So guys, I have cut the strips down and now let's see how to make beads for our bracelet. Firstly, I will cut some lines as smaller than others. Now roll it on what you want. So we will make two different types of beads. These are the smaller beads. They will be round, and another will be triangle. So we are doing it, and so we have gotten it. And yes, apply some Fevicol. So like Fevicol sometimes stuck, so we have to open it using scissors. Applying some Fevicol over the edges. See, a round bead is ready. Now we will see how to make a triangle beads. To write name. So our circular beads are ready. Now we will see how to make a triangular bead. Firstly, we will fold it in a triangular shape to make it correct. So these beads are little bit tough than that one. These need much more patience. See guys, our bead is getting ready. See guys, our triangular bead is ready. See how fantastic it is. So guys, our cute beads are ready. Now we will arrange them to our shoelace. So guys, we are putting them in. See how beautiful they are looking. And now one from this side and one another purple from this side. So guys, these type of problems can be faced during making. So like it gets like this, so we have to just pull it like this to avoid these types of fractions. Now I will put one green, and so getting those under. So guys, our ribbon is ready. Now we will write the wording on it. So I have taken 2 metallic pens. F S I E N D. So guys, our ribbon is ready. Now press it like it, and now we will tie a knot, and this will be done like yeah. Now get the size of your hand and apply the knot. So this is ruler. Now we will tie a knot along with it. So now we'll. So guys, as you can see, the knot is ready. Now we will cut these things from here to avoid this work. So guys, our band is ready. This is our new fantastic friendship band, and usually we buy bands from market, but today now you know how to make bands at home. Plus, not for friends, you can also make bands from some other anyone. Like I have made this band for my mom. See guys, how cool it looks. It's yes guys. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to follow my Insta, Twitter and Facebook.